Hello guys, this video is nasa gym kami. Ayan. So kasama namin si Kyle. And then Peter. Okay, move now. Say hi to my video, Peter. Peter. Sige, palakasan kayong dalawa. Sino ang... Let's go. You are not the same exercise, right? Oh, mahina si Kyle. Masyadong mabigat. Okay, I'm going to my place. Old already? Ako yung taga-video nila. Last Okay, last na yan guys. Ako tapos na. Maganda pag ganitong oras na hindi matao. Na? Huh? Hindi matao. Free kasi kami ngayon. Kaya sabay-sabay kaming nag-gym. Laki ng ulo mo ah. Si Peter guys, kaya daw niya yung how many you can do?
I do 45 more.
Oh, kasi ako is 32 kilograms is 5 set. Siya daw kaya niya ng 20 times?
Oh,
I'm looking. Okay. Zes 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 Ayun 20 Oh, 20 na Drain 20 Parent 20 Oh, you can do more? Oh, good. Oh, you need rest. Kyle, turn. Okay, a lot. Kyle.
This one.
You turn. Yeah.
64.
Nay, you do what you can.
64. Oh. Do it. 52. You can do much more.
2. Okay, we're going home now. We are finished.
Home?
Oh, we're going to Media Mark. Mag-Media Mark kami, guys. Okay. We need to clean the car. Eto guys, pupunta muna kami sa Media Mark. What we gonna do here, honey? Titingin siya ng camera.
For myself.
Oh, for myself. Para sa sasakyan, guys. Ayan, Media Mark. May shopping din dito sa second floor. Pero sa Media Mark lang tayo pupunta. And then, gutom kami ni Kyle, so bibili kami ng burger dyan mamaya. Later. Yeah. Yung vacuum, guys.
Ay, oh, 295 ito, Dyson.
295 na lang. Pero problema, wala tayong pangbili. Yan na lang pa-birthday niyo sa akin.
Sabi mo ito kita lang.
Oh, sige. I will say ask Kyle. Andun siya guys kasi yung camera. Wait, we gonna go back later. Yeah. Kasi yung camera ang hanap niya guys. Alam ko hindi niya yan alam. So, ituturo ko sa kanya. Nasa phone na siya. The camera, it's over there. Here. Here. Titingin siya ng camera ng car. Dito yung GPRS. Pero may GPRS na yung sasakyan. So, this camera, Daiso. Only this one. Daiso.
No, but I need also for the back.
Oh, front and back.
Okay.
You can, wait a minute. Yung parang napipusuan namin guys. But, titignan mo niya kung may back at saka front. So, 179 euro. We will look. Wala silang stock guys. Lahat ng bibilin dito walang stock. Ba't pa naka-display, di ba? So, magka-car wash muna tayo guys. Di ba yung ano din, yung camera na bibilin mo dapat? Wala silang stock. Naka-display. O, yung iPhone lang, naka-display. Anong balak mong bilhin na iPhone?
17 yung bago.
Wala pa nga, 17, di pa nakalabas.
So,
Oh, I'm looking my watch. Yeah. Kyle, kahit ito na lang. Moy? How much is that? What model is that?
What do you want, ma'am?
Yeah, Daiso. Yeah, because Daiso my
This one not nice.
do you want? Daiso? What?
Want like this? Plastic.
No, plastic is also good. No, you can change. I think. Oh, no, you can. Oh, you can change also the.
You can
Yeah,
change.
you can change if you want.
No.
Yeah.
Ito
How
yung
much?
ano namin.
Oh, no, I want you to look this one. What's the
Yeah,
model?
569. Kasi ba to?
Yeah, Samsung yung sa akin. Ano siya? Is
Dude.
there?
And SE.
249 na lang.
This one I think.
I like the white one. I will look.
That
Yeah.
also. Series.
Pero mas maliit siya. Yeah. You want me to buy Daiso?
Yeah.
I am ready happy.
What?
Wait a
Buy
moment.
that.
Kakain muna tayo ng lunch guys. Kasi after this one, pupunta tayo ng car wash. We're going to car wash, yeah? Guys, so andito na tayo. Look. First time ni Kyle. So tignan natin. Sana hindi matao para makapag-video tayo sa loob. Pag nagda-dry tayo. So, first time ni Kyle sa automat. Car wash. Yan pala. Mag-automat na rin siya mag-open guys kung ano, naka-member ka dito. Tingnan natin kung makakapasok tayo.
Not open the door window, eh?
Oh, detect. You not pay, honey. We cannot go inside. Okay.
Post my pay.
Daming camera. Ayan. Ano to guys? 25 euro per month. Easy lang siya, no? Hindi na matrabaho. Kasi automat na siya. Yay! It's raining! What's that? You put more. So later, we don't need to hold if we buy the camera already, we don't need to hold like this.
No. You have only
Yeah.
that one and you can put it on your...
Kaya kami tumingin ng camera guys para sa auto. Now it's raining hard.
That's why Echo one.
I-video natin lahat guys. Pang content na rin. Doon yung drying area. Ito tayo mamaya. Oh, it's red and hard!
It's raining. It's raining so. After the winter, yeah, you do the other one,
Oh.
the expensive one.
Expensive. We are almost finished.
Clean again. Then you get everything, yeah? Then you get this one also.
Yeah. How about if you want to wash under?
Then you do the expensive one.
Okay.
You clean everywhere.
Everything.
Yeah.
Nice business, huh?
Yeah.
Only the machine. But if the machine problem, stop everything.
You can do nothing anymore.
Yeah. And that's the last part.
Let's go there, no car behind us.
Yeah.
Dancing.
Dancing.
Like
Mm.
Oi.
Mm.
They only clean a little bit.
Oh, now we are going to dry area.
No, now clean.
Oh, still have more people.
We can do here.
Hindi natin solo. So we are here. Here. Ako naman yung taga-video nila, guys. Wala nga. First time ni Kyle daw ganito. Kasi ang alam niya mano-mano sa Pinas.
Yeah, nag-ano sila.
automat? Oh, okay. But you can also release, right?
You can leave it in and go out.
Ang daming nagpapakarwash ka, guys, sunod-sunod. Kasi maganda ang panahon. Araw. So maraming nagpapakarwash. Tapos na kami, so we're going to grocery. Yeah. We're finished. So mag-grocery naman tayo ngayon, guys. Everything is good. So we're going... Ayan, so we're going to store. Mag-grocery tayo ng pang-dinner, guys. Ayan. Kinakabit pa niya. Ang dami nagpapa-car wash. Bago yung schedule natin. Kailangan niya bumili ng camera. Kaya hindi muna tayo pupunta ng grocery store. So we're going to camera store.
I can push on.
I can help you? Wait a minute. Umikot, guys, another side. So, andito na tayo. Talagang doon yung daan papunta dito na mas mabilis. Kung ikot pa tayo, malayo siya. Kaya dito tayo tinuro sa highway. So, anyway, nandito na tayo sa mismong store ng mga camera ng mga sasakyan tayo, guys. Doon sa camera no. So, we're going inside. Sa highway. Right now, we are not in the highway anymore.
No.
So, now we are going to Albert Heijn.
Albert Heijn?
Yeah.
Why you wait so long?
Wala kaming nabiling camera dun, guys. Meron daw sila pero online. Titingin daw si Peter mamaya. Okay. So, mag-grocery tayo ng konti. So, yan guys. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Marami nang naganap. Punta sila ng Krautbaut. Anong binili niyo sa Krautbaut? Tingnan. Bumili sila neto, guys. Pang shave nila. So, 20% less.
Yeah. I put in the...
So, ayan. Pinag-usapan nila kung paano sila maghahati. Kasi yung isa yung nagbayad. Ayan. So, bumili silang bago nilang shave.
I put later.
Philip. So, we're going to, ngayon guys, kasi wala. Kailangan ko na avocado. So, punta kami sa ibang store. Kasi yung sa another store is wala silang avocado. Matigas pa. So, kailangan ko na ngayon. So, i-end ko na rin yung vlog namin ngayon, guys. Until next time. Kasi medyo mahaba na siya. Say bye-bye, honey.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Doy-doy.